Hi there, I am Sharon Tinberg-Mingy, founder of Clean Smart Academy and author of Repeatable: How to Build a Home Service Business That Grows Itself. Most cleaning companies spend time developing managers. They spend time and money coaching themselves, hopefully, attending events where they talk about systems, hiring, control, quality, and of course, growth. But there is one group that almost never gets developed the way they should: the cleaner. And yet, the cleaner is the person who walks into the client's home. The cleaner is the person who protects the relationship. The cleaner is the person who determines whether your company feels professional, dependable, and trustworthy. So, this series is designed to share with your cleaners, not to teach them how to clean, but to help them understand how important they are, how much influence they have, and how their own habits can change their future. Because cleaners do not need to be treated like they are in a dead-end job. They need to be shown that the way they think, the way they show up, the way they communicate, and the way they take responsibility can open doors for them. Some cleaners will stay cleaners. Some will become supervisors. Some will become trainers. Some will become managers. Some may even own their own company one day, possibly yours. But none of that happens by accident. It happens when someone helps them see themselves differently. That is what this series is all about. It gives owners and managers a simple way to start meaningful conversations with their cleaners about attitude, habits, responsibility, teamwork, and growth. Because if you want a stronger company, you cannot only develop the people in the office, you have to develop the people in the homes. That is where your company is really built. Use these videos as a springboard to have a full meeting on some of these topics, or send it to them weekly on Slack to remind them that you do care. So if you'd like to follow this series, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. The opening reel will be what the topic is and for you as owners, and then the attached video will be for your cleaners. Thanks for spending time with me. I look forward to continuing to grow with you all. And until next time, why not visit cleansmartacademy.com and try the free training? You got nothing to lose. And your cleaners, again, would have a lot to gain. And make sure you buy not one, but two of the book Repeatable, because everything worth doing is worth repeating. So until next time, happy training.